Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to update Instagram completely. In order to update Instagram, first check that you have the latest version of the system available. After that, to see if we have a new Instagram update, we will have to enter the Play Store. Then we will look for Instagram, and if there is an update, we will see the option to update. If you're having trouble updating or you see an error here, we'll do the following. We enter the phone settings, then we will click on the Apps category. Within the list, we will look for the Play Store application and click on it. Then click on Storage. Here we're going to clear the data of the application to try to repair the error. We will confirm the action. To make sure, we are also going to open the Instagram application and enter its storage option. Next, we will click on the Clear Cache or similar option. After that, we can go back to the Play Store and check that we can now update the application. In case of continuing to have problems, we can directly uninstall the Instagram application and reinstall it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.